Suspects will go to some insane lengths to get away from the police, but very few will go as far as to jeopardize their own lives, like these daring getaway drivers.
Across towards the median, trying to carjack somebody.
Trooper Miller attempted to initiate a traffic stop, but Charles sped away as soon as he noticed the lights and sirens.
Passing 10's nearly struck a OCPD.
Eastbound, Eastbound,
Charles reportedly had 2 handguns in the front seat and was using them to fire at the pursuing officers. While not focusing on the road, he nearly crashed into multiple cars and an officer who was conducting an unrelated traffic stop in the emergency lane.
Ooh, that was ugly. TBI.
950 was okay with TBI.
Sorry.
After Charles spun out, he then quickly hopped out and ran to his trunk, retrieving an AK-47 and 2 AR platform rifles. He then hid inside of his vehicle and fired at the oncoming officers, initiating a several hours-long standoff. And during that time, officers tried to negotiate with Charles, offering him medical assistance after he was injured in the shootout. But unfortunately, he chose his fate when he lunged for his AK-47, opening him up for a barrage of gunfire from the police, and Charles was pronounced dead on the scene shortly after.
What's the name? How I'm kicking?
Oh.
170, up. They take it off.
With this U-Haul box truck coming out of the back of pile.
U-Haul just struck the front driver's side of another vehicle while trying to turn onto US 29, but continued speeding down the road, and at one point it became apparent that he was purposely trying to ram into others' vehicles.
That's 10-4. Stay back a little bit. You're not going to be able to pit him. It's too big.
What's that? What's your point?
Passing the airport right now. Want to get Meriwether, see if we can get stop sticks out at Luthersville. They're turning their headlights out. They're going to hit somebody head on here in just a second.
I'm going to need at least 2 medics for this 1050 out here. Coming up 129. Still south 127. Just trying to ram my car head on.
The ballsy suspect was now trying to ram the officers off the road as they attempted to surround his vehicle, so the cruisers backed off and resorted again to the spike strips. But when the suspect kept speeding and trying to wreck into people, they had to make a hard call.
There's sticks in the road. I believe he got a good hit. There's sticks in the road.
Hey, good hit on the stick. Good hit. 10-4, 10-4. 44.5 northbound, moving to the flow line. You want me to go here with it?
Stay with it. Don't let him hit you.
Okay, 59, don't try to fit this U-Haul. It's going to 10-4, 46 north. We have motors pulling over. He's trying to hit them as well.
Be advised, we're at deadly force in this situation, guys. So if we get a chance, I'm not going to let him hurt somebody else. I'm not going to let him kill anybody out there.
Clear. You want me to try to fit it? We're on top of the bridge. Looks like he's coming to us top. Units be ready. We're 1050, 47 north. On top of the bridge. He's trying to continue again.
The U-Haul finally rolls to a stop after crashing into a concrete divider. The driver, later identified as 45-year-old Jackie Harris, was reportedly shot 3 times, including once in the spinal cord, which left him paralyzed from the waist down. Later, Jackie would admit to consuming an 8-ball of cocaine before going on their theft spree that night, and the passenger, 42-year-old Mario Keene, walked away with minor injuries. As with all firearm discharges, an internal investigation was conducted, and it was found that the officer responded appropriately by choosing to use deadly force against Jackie, who had presented an imminent danger to the officers and innocent civilians. Cases like these serve as reminders of why it's important to comply with police, because you just never know how it's going to end.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Officer Bacor, Walk Shop Police. Reason for your stop today is you were over the line over here, and then also you were in the bike lane coming down east. Any reason for that?
No, we were just trying to get home. Honestly, like the car in front of us, I felt like they were getting kind of close, but I understand why why you were concerned, and that's why I just like pulled over.
Okay. What was your reason for coming in here?
It was honestly because like that car that was really close. I was like concerned and
Concerned for what?
Yeah, we have a newborn, and I didn't want any complications. Like honestly.
All right, Rudolph, so here's what's going on. I'd like to make sure that you're safe to operate a motor vehicle, so I'd like to run some field sobriety tests on you. Is that okay?
Let me talk to my wife about it.
Okay. Well, I'm going to do it regardless.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I just want to know what she thinks about it. That's fine, right?
Well, she's
I just want to talk to her about it, right? That's okay.
What do you want to talk to her about?
Exactly what you said.
Sure, go ahead, you can ask.
Thank you.
Keep the window rolled down though.
Damn, just open the door.
It's locked. Try it. Hey, Rudolph. Hey, open the door.
No, I was just.
Okay.
I told you exactly what I was going to do.
Okay.
What is he saying?
Let's do that now, okay?
Can I finish talking to her?
No, I'm telling you to get out of the vehicle right now.
Okay. 1 second.
440 can start another one. 1040 for now. He's possibly 5'5", locked himself in the door.
Hey, don't, no. Put it in park. Put it in park now. He's taking off. 406, we're going westbound.
Pulling in apartment complex, 1050. Foot pursuit. Stop, do it now. Police department, stop. Taser deployed. I'm stopped. Oh my God. Roll over to your side, do it now. 1046 with the male driver. Do not move.
Do you want to stay with him?
One female passenger. The next squad can check on. Are you injured?
Sure, you want the honest answer?
Yes, I want an honest answer.
Good. You really want the answer? Do you really want to know? I can give you this answer.
He's cooperative now.
No, I'm cooperating. But do you really want to know?
I'm asking you a question.
Alright.
You good for now?
Yeah.
Did she run?
No, she fell out.
No, I fell out, yeah. I talked to my daughter. I don't even know if my child's mine.
Hey, thanks for not hitting me. Thanks for not hitting me. Hello? I don't know.
Somebody was laughing.
Nobody's laughing.
I don't give a. So you think I deserve to die? You think I deserve to die?
Are you injured right now? I got an ambulance coming.
Do you need an ambulance?
Sir, no, I don't.
Okay. Are you injured?
No, listen, I'm gonna tell you what the situation is. You can take it however you want.
Okay.
I know that you felt that I was under the influence, and you weren't gonna let me go.
One more.
Do you need to be checked out by an ambulance? Rudolph.
What does that mean if I need to be checked out?
I'm asking if you're injured.
Yeah, and I'm asking you, what does that mean? Because I feel, I'm in pain.
Okay, where?
I'm in pain in my entire body.
Okay.
Your whole body hurts?
Yes.
Anything specific other than your whole
I
body?
can't tell because